Snacky Snacks, it's me, Pokii, and I'm together with my fat, fluffy cat, Dashi. So for today's mukbang, we're going to eat cheesy noodles, thanks to Ashley Chips. Thanks for requesting. Hey, it's me, Pokii. I just want to say thank you so much for subscribing and liking and watching. I mean, we're almost at 1K. I cannot believe it. So, thank you. Also, I want to say that I find it really cool. You guys are commenting, so I can do your comments as a mukbang, and maybe you have great ideas. So please let me know. Also, last thing, I hope I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.